Good morning. I am Rajeshwari, TTWRGC Girls, Jengam College. Today's student lecture. My topic is bacteria. Bacteria was first observed by Dutch scientist Antony van Leeuwenhoek in 1683. Study of the bacteria is called as bacteriology. In this bacteria, we have to observe two cells. One is eukaryotic cell and second one is prokaryotic cell. Eukaryotic cell means it without having nuclei. Prokaryotic cell means it having nuclei. It is unicellular organism and microorganic and it's distributing many diseases. Habitat of the bacteria. Bacteria is universally distributed and they are seen in air, water, dust particles and soil, living organisms and decaying organic soil matters. And Escherichia coli bacteria inhibits human intestine and cellulose. Shape of the bacteria. Shape of the bacteria, it is the ridge cell wall and determined in the shape of bacteria cell. There are 5 different types of cells: coccus and bacillus, spirillum, vibrio, spirocheles. Coccus. Coccus means spiral shaped and non-flagellated bacteria, and they are solitary. Coccus it means monococcus. Pairs of spherical cells is called as pairs of spherical cell is called as monococcus, and spiral shape is called as diplococcus, and arrangements of cells, chain like cells, are called as streptococcus. They are depend upon the types of environment and available nutrients. And bacillus, rod shaped bacteria are called as bacillus. Bacillus like coccus, the single bacillus shape is called as monobacilli, and paired bacillus shape is called as diprobacilli, and chain like bacilli is called as streptobacilli. Spiral shaped bacteria is called as spirillum, and comma shaped bacteria is called as vibrio. Screen like compact cell shape is called as spirotrichus. Bacteria cell structure. Bacteria cell structure, we have to observe many cells like cell wall and plasma layer and cytoplasma and nucleoplasm and slim or mucilaginous layer, flagella and pili. Pili also called as embryo. And cell wall. Bacteria cell wall is enclosed by a thick enclosed cell wall. It is give shape and protection and bacteria of the cell wall. It's made up with polysaccharides and mucopeptides and muramic acid and lipids. And plasma membrane. Plasma membrane enclosed the cytoplasm. Inside is showing semi-permeable selective membrane, and this membrane allow to entry minerals and explosions of minerals and substance. There are some finger-like projections of the membrane are called as mesosomes, which are carried respiration. The mesosomes are seen in all gram-positive bacteria. Cytoplasm. In the cytoplasm, central circular DNA and RNA and 70s types of ribosomes are present. Chromatoplasm. Chromatoplasms are thylakoids are present towards the periphery of glycogen, and polyhedral bodies are present in this cytoplasm. Sometimes the forms of polysomes are groups. And centroplasm, there is no membrane bound any nucleus, being the cytophysian membrane or prokaryotic circular DNA molecules or nucleus is present in these central less regions. And slim layers. The slim layers are also called as mucilaginous layers. In this outer cell is mucilaginous layer is present. It gives stability to the bacteria cell and protect to the cell from extreme comforts. And and flagella, the thin layer, thread-like layer structures are called flagella. These are made up with flagellum and protein. The flagella consist 8 protein fibrils and pilar fimbreo. Small short hair-like structure is called pili and it's have gram-negative bacteria also called as pili membrane and it's made up with protein is called pilin. During this reproduction, this pili helps to attaching the conjugation of the bacteria. Why these are pili is called as sex pili. And the flagella types, the types of flagella is two types. One is polar flagellum and second is non-polar flagellum. Polar flagellum also have three membranes, three types. One is monotrichous and second one is lobotrichous and third one is amphitrichous. Monotrichous means only one flagella is present in this pole and lobotrichous means more than one flagella is present in this region of the lobotrichous, and amphitrichous means which flagellas are present at both polars and its ends, polar ends. It's called as amphitrichous flagellus. Second one is non-polar flagellus. When the flagellas are present on the entire surface of the bacteria cell, the condition is called as peritrichous arrangement. There's like one spherical shaped and there round around some flagellas are present, that's like. And nutrition of the bacteria. Based on this bacteria classification, two types of nutritions are present. One is heterotrophic and second one is autotrophic bacteria. Heterotrophic bacteria which cannot synthesize their food materials own are called as heterotrophic bacteria. Heterotrophic bacteria also classified into three types. One is saprophytic and second one is symbiotic and third one is parasitic. Saprophytic means complex organism substance present in dead plants and dead animals converts into simple organisms and substance by some bacteria. These bacteria are taken energy release into the air conversion of the survey. These bacteria are called as saprophytic bacteria and also scavengers and nature. Example Bacillus myelocytes and B. rugnium. And second one is symbiotic bacteria. The symbiotic bacteria gets the nucleus from the host and gives nitrogen to the host. Here both are getting the benefits through this bacteria assimilation, and this types of bacteria is called as symbiotic bacteria. Example Rhizophus of root nodules of leguminaceae. And parasitic bacteria which leaves depend upon a living host for the nutrition are called as parasitic bacteria. Host for the nutrition are called parasitic bacteria. Parasitism host as and bacteriovirus grow as parasitic, some harmful and some are useful. Found to abundant gases, water and responsible for the purity and this symbiotic bacteria. And second one is autotrophic bacteria. These bacteria and where bacteria synthesize complex organisms substance for simple organic substances like all other plants. For this photosynthetic process based on energy source and bacteria and divided into types. And first one is photoautotropic and second one is chemoautotropic bacteria. Photoautotropic means light energy using both are called as photoautotropic bacteria. This bacteria contains bacterial chlorophyll A and B and chlorobium and chlorophyll 650 and get 660. Bacteria carries out from photosynthesis without water and nucleus and synthesize some hydrogen ions are taken into HTS to make carbohydrates like carbon dioxide. CO2 plus H2S is gives rise to glucose C6H12O6 plus O2 plus S2. Chemoautotropic bacteria Chemoautotropic bacteria having unusual nutrition adaptants that requires to neither sunlight nor organic nutrition. The bacteria derives from energy from oxidation of uh, inorganic substance and carbon form CO2 and based on the organic energy source. Based on organic energy source, these bacteria are divided into four types of bacteria. One is nitrogen bacteria, and second one is sulfur bacteria, and third one is iron bacteria, and fourth one is hydrogen bacteria. And nitrogen bacteria, it's nitrogen plus 1 H2O, NH3 plus 1.5 CO2, and gives rise to nitrosomes and NO2 plus H2O energy. And this finally one reaction is came, NHO2 plus 1 and nitrogen is present, and NH3 get oxidized. The presence of nitrogen, some bacteria form nitric acid by releasing of some energy. This nutrition oxidation in the presence of nitrobacter and becomes nitrogen nitrates, and also some energies is released which will utilize the bacteria to reduce some CO2 for this nutrition. And sulfuric bacteria belongs to and belong to was H2S and oxidizing and releasing sulfur along with some amount of energy. Sulfur oxidation was Thricobacillus into H2SO4 and releasing some energies. Energies releasing, there is two reactions and utilizing to reducing CO2 and synthesize food materials. And some iron bacteria, ferrous ion get oxidation into ferric ions, and in the presence of ferrobacillus, bacteria energy releases and it's used to reduce CO2 to form food materials. And hydrogen bacteria, hydrogen oxidize get into ferric ion. In the presence of ferrobacillus present, the energy released used to reduce CO2 to form food materials. Hydrogen bacteria, hydrogen oxidized into water. In the presence of hydromonas bacteria, energy releases in this reaction is used to reduce CO2. The food material is synthesized. And then finally reproduction of bacteria reproduce sexually and sexually. The sexual reproduction occurring through binary fission and endosporic formation. Binary fission, if favorable condition, the bacteria actually reproduction by binary fission. Bacteria DNA of chromosomes replicating into 2 and the same time the constitution from this bacteria is into daughter cells. This time is taken complete division is called as generation. Time will be usually 20 to 30 minutes, and it consists 2 daughter cells. The bacteria it consists 2 process, like second one is endospores. In anaerobic condition, bacteria develops endospores and asexually reproduction by example bacillus and cladrons. And when the condition is unfavorable, entire the protoplasm of the bacteria becomes dense and rough of the round. And sexual reproduction of the bacteria. Sexual reproduction of the bacteria, true sexual reproduction is absent in this bacteria. No meiosis division takes place in this bacteria. However, genetic recombination takes place in these 3 methods. One is gene transformation, and second one is conjugation, and third one is transduction. Transformation is this method. Bacteria gene recombination was discovered by Frederick Griffin in 1928. In Diplococcus pneumonia, DNA of one bacteria enters another bacteria through culture method, and understanding environmental material is called transformation. And conjugation, one bacteria genetic material entering another bacteria through conjugation is called as conjugation. It was observed by Ledenberg and Tatum in 1947. Found in Pneumonia Escherichia coli bacteria, the strains of bacteria comes closer on with the help of the primarily attached one of the another conjugation of the bacteria. And transduction, the transduction is special mechanism of the genetic recombination which generates materials, and it's transmitted from the donor to the receptor cell by means bacteriophage. This transduction is in this discoveries of Gender and Ledenberg 1952 and Salmonella trypacium. When bacteria attach to the bacterial cell, lysosomes and enzymes released to form phagotail and dissolves bacteria like a place of DNA and phagocytes. But sometimes phago DNA get incorporated into the bacterial DNA in the form of recombination of the DNA. Mixed DNA's phags are start it's called as phagocytes. In this genetic material, having bacteria breakdowns and undergoes the fission like normal bacteria, these phags are called as temperature phags, and this cycle is called as lysosonic cycle. Thank you for giving this small opportunity.